Good day. It's April 24th, 2024, and you're listening to the Aesthetic Medicine Minute. Today, let's talk about a key player in skin hydration and youthfulness, hyaluronic acid. Recently, Dr. Karen Chinonso-Kagha, a board-certified dermatologist in Beverly Hills, broke down the science behind this wonder molecule. Hyaluronic acid, a naturally occurring substance in our bodies, has the remarkable ability to retain moisture. In fact, it can hold up to 1,000 times its weight in water. The beauty industry has capitalized on its hydrating properties, incorporating it into serums, creams, and injectables. As we age, our natural reserves of hyaluronic acid deplete, leading to the telltale signs of aging, fine lines and wrinkles. By replenishing hyaluronic acid topically or through injections, we can help to restore the skin's hydration and elasticity. One important distinction made by the dermatologist is between topical treatments and injectables. While serums and creams can significantly boost skin hydration, injectables like dermal fillers provide more profound and lasting results by filling out wrinkles and adding volume directly under the skin. The article highlights a holistic approach to using hyaluronic acid, recommending a combination of skincare products and professional treatments for best results. It's a testament to the evolving field of aesthetic medicine, where tailored treatments can yield natural and personalized outcomes. Remember, the key to successfully incorporating hyaluronic acid into your regimen is understanding your skin's needs and seeking professional advice. That's all for today's Aesthetic Medicine Minute. Stay informed and confident in your skin's health.